Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn what is a turbine flow meter, how does it works, what are its applications. So, what is a turbine flow meter? A turbine flow meter is a precision instrument designed to measure the flow of fluids such as water, gas or chemicals in pipes or pipelines. It operates on simple principle by measuring the rotational speed of a turbine like rotor placed in the fluid path. So how does it work? As you can see that I have a pipe. If I cross cut the section, you can see that there is a turbine inside of it. Now when the water flow through the pipe, what you can see that my turbine is rotating. So what turbine flow basically do? It measures the flow rate. So how I'm calculating it? So basically Q equal to K into N. Here K is basically a constant given by the manufacturer. N is basically the rotational speed of the turbine and Q is basically the discharge flow rate. Now K is already given by who? Our manufacturer, and is measured by our sensor. So with the help of it, we can measure the discharge flow rate. The discharge flow rate value is normally measured in liter per minute or gallons per minute. Now, a question comes to your mind: what are advantages of turbine flow meter? So it has high accuracy. Turbine flow meter offer precise measurements, making them suitable for critical applications. Wide range. They can handle a wide range of flow rates. Low pressure drop. Turbine meters cause minimal pressure drop in the system. So what are its real world applications? Water utilities for measuring water consumption. Oil and gas industry for tracking fuel flow. Chemical plants for monitoring chemical process, food and beverage production for measuring ingredients. So that's for all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.